Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy United States Esim data plan in Keeper. So first to do that, you have to open your Keeper app on your iPhone, then tap at this option called browser. Once you do that, then tap at this option again called buy Esim on Ton. Then you tap at it. Once you do that, you give a few more minutes to load the page popped up. Then good. Once the page has been loaded, then you scroll down and search for the country you want to buy the Esim data plan for. But I'm going to be using United States as a gesture. Then right here you can see the available data plan for their Esim. Then from here you can pick a price range from 1 gig to 20 gig, and the price follows. For 1 gig you have $4.04, then for 3 gig you have $9.02, then for 5 gig we have $14.08, then for 10 gig we have $24.56, then for 20 gig we have $48.12. So let's say we go for 10 gig, then just go to checkout, then you make your payment, then follow the procedures, and you have your Esim data plan purchase in Keeper. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.